onto your steps. You really controlled stepping, and here your body goes away, but it's still controlled stepping. Yeah, it's like your child is sleeping. You really don't want it wakes up. Yeah, like ooh, like this. Yeah. Okay. My voice is gone already. Okay. This you remember in the red sand palm teachings in Hainan, I talk about hung and ha, like and yeah. Here also here 2 times hung. This time this is slow. Or this. This is 2 ways of bringing this out. This sound. Yeah. This sound. It's important. It's not only like shouting. This comes the tradition, or like it comes from Zhenglun and Chenqi. Zhenglun is the hung. This Zhenglun was in the time of Shibo. It's an emperor. Last time we had a 2-hour talk about it down in the hotel. So Shibo Zhou Wang is an emperor, and in his time, this Zheng Lun, evil fighter, evil wicked fighter, like bad fighter, who lived. So he used the hung sound until Shibo subdue him. Shibo like beat him, yeah. And then he said, "You can continue this." Because he had some powers not normal people have. One of them was this hung sound. And with the hung, there comes a white cloud in the astral plane, catching the demons. Yeah, the hung sound is catching the demons. So when do slow, like this, it's the lips are together, but it can vibrate a little bit, yeah. So when it really like this a little bit come out, this is before something is building up. You feel already something is building up, evil, yeah, the demons. There you bring this out, and it's a little bit sometimes like when the dogs feel something, and then they like this a little bit. And the fast way is catch. This is already in combat. Catch the demon inside the other person. Yeah, this is Zhenglun. And Chenqi, he also lived the same time. He also was a demon slayer. Yeah, and his ha, he didn't catch the demons but kill them. Like this. Oh. Like this, like pushing them out of the body of the opponent, yeah. So also he was not a good guy before, but he also became in the army of Shibo later, from the Zhou dynasty, yeah, Zhou Wang. So Zhou Wang subdued both of them, yeah. I was always mixing Huangdi with Zhou Wang. So Zhou Wang was the one who took the Bagua and make the I Ching. Not Huangdi. Huangdi is in the family tree. Huangdi is in the family tree of
the
Houtian Bagua.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So Huangdi is in the family tree of Fuxi. So I thought that's why he made the Houtian Bagua. But Shibo lived much later, and he made the Houtian Bagua. Yeah. He was also an emperor, and a strong emperor. He had also skills like astral plane. And these 2 fighters, Zhenglun was known for the hung, and Chenqi for the ha sound. The Chenqi, when he did the ha sound, it's a yellow mist. Zhenglun hung, white cloud, catching the cloud, the demons. And the Chen Shi, when he do the ha sound, it's a yellow mist coming out. It's not catching, it's like pushing away or killing the demons. So both of them later served Shibo, Zhou Wenwang, and both of them later used it for the good of the people. So they were like fighters, they did anything because they had the power, you know. But once they met him, he subdued them, so they suddenly started moral ethics and righteousness. They learn, yeah, and then they used it for the good, the skills. So he, Shibu, that time he said, you can continue use your powers, but from now on for the good. And also they fought a lot of battles, yeah. So when you do this form, also in Baji, Long Sifu's Baji Chuan, there's a long Heng and Ha. Heng mostly when you hit. So also catching the demons, catching a punch. But hitting a demon, it's a Ha. Yeah, it's not same. It's something going out, Ha. Catching something, Heng. Also kick here, catch. Yeah, it's also this like it's a little bit of contracting more. Ha is more sending out. Yeah. So when you practice this, of course, if you are in your living room and you wake up the people, don't do it. But when you practice like somewhere where you can do, practice the Heng and Ha, both of them. Yeah, slow. For example, in this position, or also fast and rapid in some positions of the form or movements of the form. Then you have both. Yeah, this it's difficult slow. I also every time I do, it's not real. It's sometimes it comes, and then it comes throughout the lips like something comes out. Yeah, and think of this white cloud with the Heng in the astral plane and the yellow mist fog, yeah, like this fog, yellow when you use the Ha sound, like this, yeah. Okay, we take our stuff, we go down and look where they are. They have 500 today. Yeah. 500.